How to log in on Zelle app. Are you guys facing issues to log in on Zelle app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To log in on Zelle app, first download and install it from Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign In button. Enter the email address or US mobile number that you used when registering with Zelle app. Then type in your registered password. If you have linked Zelle through a bank mobile app, you can also log in directly there without downloading Zelle app separately. For extra security, Zelle may ask you to verify your identity through a one-time code sent to your phone number or email. That code when prompted. After successful verification, you will be taken to Zelle dashboard where you can send, receive, and manage money instantly. Always make sure you are on the official Zelle app and never share your login details with anyone for safety. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.